If you're over 40, busy and struggling to lose weight, it's not your fault. Today on SlimSync, I'll show you 7 metabolism-boosting meals you can make in 10 minutes. Forget starving yourself or spending hours in the kitchen. Life after 40 is demanding. Complicated diets just don't work. You need smart, efficient, delicious solutions that fit your life. As we age, our metabolism slows, but that doesn't mean weight gain is inevitable. The key is fueling your body with the right foods to support muscle and keep your metabolism active. I'll walk you through 7 meals, each designed for busy people over 40. Real food, real flavor, real results. Grab a notepad, let's get cooking. First up, the savory cottage cheese veggie bowl. Cottage cheese is a protein powerhouse, perfect for maintaining muscle after 40. Spoon full-fat cottage cheese into a bowl. Add diced cucumber, cherry tomatoes, and chopped red onion for crunch and nutrients. Drizzle with olive oil, squeeze fresh lemon, and season with salt and pepper. Stir gently, taste, and adjust. This bowl is creamy, colorful, and keeps you full for hours. Customize with bell peppers, fresh herbs, or sunflower seeds. It's fast, flexible, and effective. Ideal for lunch or a light dinner. Simple ingredients, big impact. No bland diet food here, just smart, satisfying fuel. This meal supports muscle, digestion, and keeps cravings at bay. 5 minutes and you're done. Healthy can be delicious. Ready for the next one? Next up, we have the lentil spinach warm skillet, a dish that's not only warm and hearty, but also deeply nourishing and incredibly easy to make. This is the kind of meal that feels like a hug in a bowl, perfect for busy weeknights or when you need something comforting and healthy. Lentils are your secret weapon here. They're packed with slow-digesting energy, plenty of fiber, and a generous dose of plant-based protein. They help keep you full for hours, support gut health, and are super affordable. For speed and convenience, use pre-cooked or canned lentils. Just be sure to rinse them well to remove excess sodium and any canning liquid. Start by sautéing minced garlic and a pinch of red pepper flakes in a splash of olive oil. This step infuses the oil with flavor and gives the dish a gentle kick. Then, toss in your lentils and a mountain of fresh spinach. Don't be shy with the spinach. It wilts down quickly, shrinking to a fraction of its size while packing in a ton of nutrients, antioxidants, and fiber. Finish with a generous squeeze of fresh lemon juice for brightness and season with salt and pepper to taste. The lemon really wakes up all the flavors and adds a fresh zing. The beauty of this one-pan meal is that it delivers complex carbs, fiber, and protein all in one go, giving you stable energy without any heaviness. It's gut-friendly, supports your metabolism, and leaves you feeling satisfied, not sluggish. Plus, it's naturally gluten-free and vegetarian. For extra protein and creaminess, top with crumbled feta or a dollop of Greek yogurt. Or, add sun-dried tomatoes for a burst of tangy flavor. You can even sprinkle on some fresh herbs or toasted seeds for crunch. Minimal cleanup, maximum benefit. In just 10 minutes, you've got a balanced, filling meal that's perfect for lunch, dinner, or even meal prep for the week. No sugar spikes, no crashes, just steady, lasting energy to power you through your day. This is smart, efficient cooking for busy lives. It's a recipe you'll come back to again and again. Use this as a template. Add your favorite veggies, spices, or even a handful of nuts for crunch. The possibilities are endless. Stable energy, stable metabolism. Let's keep going. Now, let's make soft scrambled tofu with veggies, a perfect breakfast or quick lunch that's both nourishing and delicious. This dish is a fantastic way to start your day with energy, or to enjoy a light, satisfying meal anytime. Tofu is a blank canvas, high in protein, gentle on digestion, and incredibly versatile. It absorbs flavors beautifully, making it ideal for savory scrambles like this one. Start by pressing firm tofu to remove excess water. This helps it soak up all the delicious seasonings. Then crumble it into rustic bite-sized pieces that mimic the texture of soft scrambled eggs. Sauté your favorite veggies, bell peppers, onions, mushrooms, or even spinach and tomatoes, in a skillet with a little olive oil. The more colorful, the better for both nutrition and flavor. Add the crumbled tofu, then sprinkle in a pinch of turmeric for a golden hue and anti-inflammatory benefits. Nutritional yeast brings a cheesy, savory flavor, while a dash of black salt gives that classic eggy aroma. Splash in some soy sauce or tamari for a boost of umami and a touch of saltiness. This step really ties all the flavors together. Stir everything together gently, letting the tofu and veggies mingle and heat through until the mixture is golden and fragrant. The kitchen will smell amazing. This scramble is light, fluffy, and packed with plant-based protein and fiber. Serve it with whole grain toast, or wrap it in a tortilla for a hearty breakfast burrito. It keeps you full and energized, without heaviness or bloat, making it perfect for busy mornings or post-workout meals. High volume, low calorie, and totally customizable. Top with fresh herbs, avocado, or hot sauce to make it your own. Start your day smart, or refuel at lunch. This recipe is quick to make, easy to meal prep, and always satisfying. Eating well doesn't have to be complicated. With just a few simple ingredients, you can create a meal that's both wholesome and delicious. This is how you fuel your metabolism and support a healthy, active lifestyle, one tasty bite at a time. Enjoy your scramble and get ready for whatever comes next. On to the next meal. Meet the quinoa yogurt power bowl. Balanced, energizing, and delicious. Layer cooked quinoa in a bowl, warm or cold. Top with plain, full-fat Greek yogurt for a protein boost. Add a handful of nuts, almonds, walnuts, or pecans for healthy fats and crunch. Sprinkle with chia or flax seeds for fiber and fullness. Finish with berries for natural sweetness and antioxidants. No added sugar needed. Let the fruit shine. Every ingredient supports muscle, digestion, and hormone health. This bowl is synergy in action. Protein, fiber, and healthy fats for steady energy. Perfect for breakfast, lunch, or post-workout. Build your plate for fat loss. No restriction, just smart combinations. This is food as fuel, not the enemy. Fast, delicious, and powerful. The SlimSync way. Simple, effective, and satisfying. Ready for more? For meal 5, try turkey and avocado lettuce wraps. Fresh, crisp, and satisfying. Use large lettuce leaves as your wrap, crunchy and low carb. Layer with high-quality roasted turkey breast, lean protein to protect muscle. Mash ripe avocado with lime juice, salt, and pepper. Spread over turkey. Add sliced cucumber, shredded carrots, or bell pepper for crunch and color. Assemble your wraps, simple, fast, and full of flavor. No bread, no bloat, just smart swaps. This meal keeps you full, energized, and light. Perfect for lunch at work or a quick dinner. Prioritize protein and healthy fats to burn fat efficiently. Protect your metabolism with every bite. Satisfying, nutritious, and ready in minutes. Upgrade your lunch, ditch the sandwich. Simple changes, big results. Let's move to the next meal. Sometimes, your body craves comfort and warmth. On those days, gentle miso veggie soup is the perfect answer. This soothing bowl is more than just a meal. It's a gentle hug for your digestive system and your mind. Miso paste, the star ingredient, is packed with probiotics that support gut health, boost your metabolism, and help your body find balance. It's a fermented food that's been cherished in Japanese kitchens for centuries. Start by simmering water gently, never let it boil. This preserves the delicate probiotics and keeps the soup's healing properties intact. The gentle steam is a sign you're on the right track. Add quick-cooking veggies like mushrooms, cubed tofu, and leafy greens. These ingredients cook fast, retain their nutrients, and add texture and flavor. You can also toss in carrots, snap peas, or even a handful of spinach for extra color and nutrition. Dissolve the miso paste in a little hot water first, then stir it into the pot, off the heat. This step is key. Adding miso to boiling soup can destroy its beneficial bacteria. Taste and adjust to your liking. Add a drizzle of toasted sesame oil, a sprinkle of scallions, or even a dash of chili flakes for a gentle kick. This soup is hydrating, easy to digest, and incredibly calming. It's light on the stomach but full of flavor, making it ideal for any time you need a reset. Perfect for stressful days, after a long trip, or when your digestion needs a gentle nudge back to balance. Light yet satisfying, this soup supports your body's repair processes and helps maintain metabolic balance, all while being easy to prepare. It's ideal for a late dinner, gentle on your system, so it won't disrupt sleep or digestion, and leaves you feeling nourished, not heavy. The warmth of the soup helps lower stress hormones that can sabotage weight loss and overall well-being, making it a true comfort food. Remember, healthy eating isn't just about salads or raw foods. Sometimes a nourishing soup is exactly what your body and soul need. It's quick, gentle, and deeply restorative. Mindful eating at its best. Take your time, savor each spoonful, and let the warmth work its magic. Ready for the final meal? Let this gentle miso veggie soup nourish you from the inside out. Last up, the apple nut protein plate, perfect for when you're short on time. Slice your favorite apple for fiber and crunch. Pair with a handful of nuts, almonds, walnuts, pistachios, for protein and healthy fat. Add a few slices of cheese for extra protein and satisfaction. This combo slows digestion, stabilizes blood sugar, and keeps you full. It's a balanced mini-meal, carbs, protein, and fat in harmony. Great for a mid-afternoon snack or light breakfast. Never eat carbs alone. Always pair with protein or fat. This simple rule boosts energy and fat burning. Assemble in minutes, no excuses. Keep apples, nuts, and cheese on hand for smart choices. Effortless, effective, and delicious. That's how you eat for real results. There you have it, 7 metabolism-boosting meals, all in 10 minutes or less. You don't need to starve or eat bland food to lose weight after 40. Focus on protein, fiber, and healthy fats to fuel your metabolism. These meals are templates, adapt them to your life. Sustainable, realistic weight loss is about smarter meals, not extreme diets. Like, subscribe, and join SlimSync for more real-world solutions. We're building a community for lasting change. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen. Now, go cook something brilliant.